Okay guys, we are on our way to Krabi. Nasa loob na kami ng sasakyan.
You can check the Krabi, it's so far.
And with my future husband, Pratamish. Pratamish, where are we going? Really? I want my viewer
around 200 kilometers.
Around 200 kilometers Krabi, right? Yeah. It took how many hours for you to drive?
3 or 3.
Drive safely, not quickly, okay? Hi guys, this is Feeling Thailander and welcome back to my channel. So right now guys, we are on our way to going to Krabi. So holiday ang peg ng lola nyo ngayon. With my friendship forever, Christian, mag-hi ka. Yeah, and Mark. Yeah, this is in front of their house here in Kata Beach. And our driver, my personal driver, my future husband, Pratamish. Pratamish. Yeah, Pratamish. Yeah. So we are on our way to Krabi. Krabi or Panga? How many hours, Pratamish? 3 hours daw ang biyahe, guys. Okay guys, we are on our way to Krabi. Nasa loob na kami ng sasakyan.
You can check the Krabi, it's so far.
And with my future husband, Pratamish. Pratamish, where are we going? Really? I want my viewer
around 200 kilometers.
Around 200 kilometers Krabi, right? Yeah. It took how many hours for you to drive?
3 or 3.
Drive safely, not quickly, okay? Quickly but safely. Okay, because I don't want quick. Ayan. Friendship. Ay ka naman, friendship. Yan. Dito na kami sa sa mismong bungad ng ng highway, guys. So yan guys, almost an hour na kaming nagbabiyahe. And wala pa kami, hindi pa kami nakakarating sa aming paruroonan. And I just dropped by to the 7-Eleven and to buy some snacks. What did you buy, darling? Chicken burger. Yeah, my darling Pratamish is not eating pork. What? So I just had my double pork and cheeseburger. And what are you having, Anakshi?
Chicken steak burger.
And then also Friendship Forever?
Beef burger.
Beef burger, yan. So, yan. Ano muna kami guys? Merienda muna kami sa mismong highway. Yan. And how many hours going to Krabi? Yeah. About how many hours, darling?
2.5 hours.
My God, it's too long! Yeah. 2 hours, guys. My goodness. Tagal-tagal pa. Kakain muna tayo ng bonggang-bongga.
Any update to your visa? Go to Summit Nanji, brother? Not yet. Not yet? Yesterday also I asked Chacha.
Yeah,
I don't know.
So, be right back guys. We have to eat first. Premises, guys. With my darling. Yan guys, so finally nakarating na kami dito sa Krabi. Yeah, and this is our first
your bag.
How to say? No need. First spot na papasyalan namin dito sa Krabi. What? Yan guys, so dito kami sa first place na papasyalan namin dito sa Krabi. Itong Bridge Cafe. My pie. Bridge Cafe guys. Sabi ng ano to, dagat guys. So guys, itong cafe na to, ano siya, malapit sa dagat. May mga mangroves pa. Sobrang ganda ng view, sobrang ganda ng hangin. Tapos yan ang makikita yung mga view diyan, mga ano, isla, small island guys. Dito to sa Krabi. My God, ingat-ingat kayo. Yan guys, we're here at the center of the Bridge Cafe here in, how to say, Krabi. Yeah, with my friendship. Anong say mo dito sa Bridge Cafe na to guys? Nice place, no? Sarap mag-chill.
Very chilling.
Yeah,
chilling
fresh air pa. So guys, after we visit Bridge Cafe in Krabi, so right now guys, we are here at Aonang Beach, Krabi. One of the most visited beach here in Krabi area. Krabi. Yeah, guys, so dito tayo sa mismong Aonang Beach, Krabi province dito sa Thailand. Ito ang kanilang beach. Isla. Dito masyadong ano guys, touristic area guys. Walang masyadong swimming, walang masyadong turista. Tahimik. Kagagaling lang namin ng ano guys, ng Bridge Cafe. So, chill muna kami dito sa beach. In fairness, ang daming mga puno. Guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa Wat Bangthong. Ayan na guys, sobrang laki oh. Ayan guys. Wow. Sobrang ganda. Guys, finally, andito na kami sa isa sa pinaka-popular na temple dito sa Krabi. Ang tinatawag nilang temple na Wat Bangthong. Yan guys. Ano to, newest temple dito sa Krabi guys. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang laki, no friendship? Imagine mo yan. Actually nakikita ko lang to sa mga ano, mga sinishare nilang photos ng aking mga Thai friend. Guys, ayan. Sobrang ganda. Sa Facebook usually nakikita ko to guys. Ang ganda, grabe. Ayan siya guys oh. Layo nito guys, imagine mo yan. Pasok na tayo guys dito sa loob ng temple. Ano ba, bawal ipasok ang tsinelas, sapatos, yan. Yan guys, sobrang lawak, no? Anak siya yun. Ganda. Yan. So, pasokin na natin guys. Yan guys, bago ka makapasok sa loob ng temple, yeah, for foreigners, you have to pay 50 baht. And for Thai people, it's for free. I pay only 2. You don't pay.
One only right? I two only right?
Chai ka.
Puntay na eh.
So, pasok na tayo. Wow, ang ganda. Ayan na siya.
Yan, naka-display rin pala.
Yan, sobrang laki guys. Laki lang temple na to friendship. Yeah, hindi ko ma-imagine na guys, mapupuntahan ko talaga to guys. Sobrang ganda. My goodness. Friendship, mag-hi ka sa ating vlog. So, sobrang ganda. Laki, no? My God, paano kaya umakyat dyan? Pumasok na tayo guys. Laki, grabe. Sobrang laki. Walang masyadong turista oh. Guys, ito yung nasa loob ng Wat Bang Thong. Ang ganda, grabe. So guys, grabe, sa lahat ng nabisita kong temple dito sa Thailand, promise, ito ang pinakamagandang Buddhist temple na napuntahan ko dito sa Thailand, guys. As is, sobrang ganda. Talagang recommended talaga na bisitahin nyo guys. Malayo lang ito na dito sa mismong Krabi. As is, sobra, as is. Worth it ang travel nyo guys pag binisita nyo itong Wat Bang Thong dito sa Krabi.